In 2005 I was in 8th grade. I wasn't a very good student. I had a lot of classmates. My class was funny. We had smart and not so smart students. I had problem with maths because I didn't understand really this subject very well. One of those days I had a fight with my classmate. During the break we were playing games. By mistake I kicked his back very hard. He was angry and kicked my eye. After that I fell dizzy and I lost my balance. My other classmates stopped us from fighting. I was also very angry. I wanted to kick him in the eyes, but unfortunately my classmates stopped us. After school we found private place and fought. All my classmates watched us. I don't remember everything that happened, but we had bruises. I went home with my bruises on my eye and on my body. The next day I went to school. In class I met my classmates' parents and my teacher. They looked at me very strangely. We went to another class and started talking. I told them what happened. After his mother told me not to fight anymore, because it was dangerous for our health and we might get hurt. The second thing she said to me was it was not good or beautiful for smart people to fight. After a week my classmates came to school and we forgave each other and became friends again.